Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making some banana chocolate chip cookies. I got this from Pinterest from lifeloveandsugar.com. The link will be in the bottom description below. And I wanted to make these because this recipe requires mashed bananas. And I don't know about you, but when my bananas get a little bit old, I kind of get tired of banana bread. So I felt like this would be a good recipe to try out for a twist on some mashed bananas. So if you want to see how these turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So for these cookies, I got going on adding butter and salt to make it like salted butter, and then just mashing up my bananas. And then I measured it to make sure I had a cup and added brown sugar, white sugar, and mixed that until it was combined. And then vanilla, my melted butter, and incorporated all those ingredients together. And then I got my flour with my baking soda and just kind of mixed that a little bit, and so it wasn't like super baking soda-y. And then added that to my wet ingredients and mixed those together until it was like 95% of the way mixed. And that's when I added in my chocolate chips, and I put some mini chips in there. And then mix those together. And I made 1 tablespoon sizes of cookies, but she said 2, but I just wanted 1. I like them smaller. And then put them in my oven, and I did 2 trays at a time on the upper third and the lower third shelf, switching them halfway through. And I baked them for 8 minutes and put them on my cooling rack to cool.
All right, so the cookies have cooled, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. They're interesting. I mean, they're not bad, but I wouldn't say they're like super great either. I think it's just a texture thing for me because they're so dense and it's a lot of chocolate, and it's just literally like chewy banana flavor with sweet melty chocolate. So the texture is a little off for me. The flavor's there. I think I would give these a rating of 9.5 out of 10. If you like a dense, chewy cookie, these are awesome. Personally, I like my cookies a little bit more on the crispy side. They're good though, I like them. It was a nice play on bananas that isn't banana bread, so that was fun. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe, and give me a thumbs up if you did, and leave any requests in the bottom below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.